Hello, Mr. Albert. How are you doing? I'm doing very well, Mr. Juan. Thank you. Mr. Albert, where were you born? I was born in Ulm City from Germany. What was your date of birth? I was born on March 19, 1879. How was your personal life? I studied the redact physics on my whole life. I was described different mathematics theories of physics. How was your clothing style? I always liked to wear a green suit, no neck shirts, a black tie, and always we do socks. How many children did you have? I had two biological children and one adopted girl. What profession did you have? I had a doctorate physics and another doctorate philosophy. How do you contribute to the world? I have to the world some different theories, such as relative theory and unified theory. Tell me what was one of your famous prizes. One of my prizes was might I like a pursuit. It only works in the head open. And finally, when was your date? Died on April 18, 1995 in New Jersey, from United States, from America. Perfect. That was everything. Thank you very much, Mr. Albert. You're welcome, Mr. Juan. Bye.